Well, first of all, day before yesterday, way we lost the match, it was really hard. Weather was different because of the lot of dew. It was difficult for the bowlers to grip the ball, but somehow we pulled out the match till the last ball, and lot of drama happened in last over. So for me, it was very important as a senior member of the side, try to come back and deliver for the team, and where is required most, because every match is important and we are come here to play some good cricket. So as a senior member of the side, I just try to hold the nerve and try to give my best.
Well, you did that today, especially that double wicket made it to get Haynes and Lanigan. How much confidence does that give you going into this test match where the opportunity is there to move in front in this multi-format series?
Well, obviously, everybody knows Meg Lanning one of the best batter. If you're not able to get her out, early, then she can take out the game from your hand. So it was important for me to give the early breakthrough and try to hit the ball in right area. And yes, I was enjoying my rhythm. I was bowling in the right area from the beginning today. And yeah, it's just try to hit the ball in right area. I don't try much anything, but when your day is you'll get able to execute your plan in such a way that everything is happen, and certain day you try to execute but not happen. So that is how this cricket has been played. So yeah, I was happy that whatever role have given to me, and I try to deliver that.
And what about you and Megna on Friday night under the lights? You seem to be swinging the ball around a lot. Did that get you excited for what you might be able to do in a test match?
Yeah, because first of all, that match it was seaming that day, and both of us trying to hit the ball in right area, because when it's seaming and swinging, you can't try much because you have to be bit patient enough and try to hit the ball in right area. And honestly speaking, never played the pink ball and then night test match, so I'm. As a person, I'm really looking forward for this match, because I want to know what's happened, in a pink ball, night time, how we're going to react. So I'm also looking forward, but I hasn't have any kind of experience. So I'm looking forward for some experience to gather some experience in before I quit my day.
You obviously had a great survival in Australia. Obviously disappointing to lose the series, but knocking off that 26 win streak must feel good.
See, when you're playing against one of the best side, you have to give best every day whenever is getting opportunities. And honestly speaking, I was not aware of that they are in winning streak of 26. When we are batting in a center, I'm talking about my batting and bowling. So I was not aware of that. I just wanted to give my performance to make sure that I give more than 100% on the field. And this team, they put up certain standard to always, as an individual, as a team, we have to fulfill those standards. So yeah, it was good that we were able to beat them. That is the most important thing for us, and because if we are not able to beat them, then series was 3-0, looks little different. And before playing a pink ball test match, at least we were able to win one match at this moment. So as a unit, we will be little more confident to go and play some good cricket in pink ball test.
I know from some friends I have in town how much it means to them to see you guys here.
Sorry, come again?
The fans, the Indian
Yeah.
fans, how awesome is it to see how loud they were?
I think we are blessed. I guess wherever we go, whenever we go to any part of the world where cricket is played, and where Indian crowds come and support us, that's huge thing for us, and that's one thing we always enjoy that, and always thanks them to come and support, because we also entertain them in such a way that they can show some quality cricket on the field.
So it was also India's highest successful run chase in ODI format. How great is it to be, I guess, part of that?
Well, I was not aware of that, but yes, again I'll say one thing, that when we come back from the first innings, we know wicket was flat. If you can play till 50 overs, we can chase this target. That was our simple plan, and we try to stick to that plan.
Molan, do you want to cross to your guys?
Yes. Gaurav Gupta and Karunya Keshav.
Yeah, Julian, were you a bit, sort of reminded of what happened in the last over when you were facing up in the last over with 4 runs needed and you went for that shot. Were you feeling a bit nervous in your heart about what happened in the last game?
No, not at all. I know that if I play till end, definitely we're able to score that runs. And I was just telling Meghna, make sure that we play till the last ball, and whenever we get an opportunity to just go for it. So I was very much confident because last couple of days I was hitting the ball quite well. So I know that if it is coming in my zone, I'm definitely go for it. So yeah.
Congratulations, Julian, on the win. Wanted to ask you a little about your batting again. From the outside, it looks like there's more clarity to it this year. What understanding has the coach given you about your role as a batter, and what work have you done yourself to come, to lead the team?
Well, one thing, first of all, thank you so much, Karunya. And secondly, I know it's important if you, as a tail-ender batter, if you can chip 15-20 runs each and every match, that makes a lot of difference. So, captain and coach told me that your role, not as a bowler, you have to bat and you have to chip in. So, I was just try to spend a lot of time in a net session to middling the ball well. And whenever I try to get opportunity, I try to always take that opportunity forward.
Anisha Ghosh.
Julian, Anisha here. Many congratulations.
Thanks, Anisha.
I would want you to sort of talk about a couple of balls that you bowled in the previous 2 matches. The one to Alyssa Healy, that was a jumper, and then to Meg Lanning. And today too, you performed really well with the new ball. Where do you rank your bowling performance with all the swing that you've been getting, and clubbed with that, the overall all-round performance that you had? You were known as an all-rounder for the longest time, but would you sort of brand this performance as the rediscovery of Julian Goswami, the all-rounder?
Well, Anisha, thank you so much. But honestly speaking, I don't think so much because as a cricketer, I have given a certain role by team management, and I try to stick to that and try to deliver each and every time. And bowling is like when you start enjoying your rhythm, you're able to get better and better in day by day. And batting part, I'll say again, I just give that answer first. I'm not looking for any kind of extra thing like all-rounder, because whatever is coming my way, I try to fulfill that role. That is my thinking, and that is way I always thought, and I'll back my instinct that way only.
Thanks, guys. I think if there's no more questions, we might wrap up there.
Yeah, I was waiting for Purna.
Okay, last one, guys.
Hi, Julian, Purnima here. Congratulations on the win and your performance especially. I'm sorry मैं आपको दूसरे bowlers की performance के लिए बात करने के लिए मजबूर करने वाली हूँ। ये टूर पे जाने से पहले रमेश सर ने कहा था कि हमें ऐसे बॉलर्स की तलाश है जो जुलियन गोस्वामी से थोड़ा सा प्रेशर, उनसे थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनसे ले सके, शेयर कर सके। तो आपकी असेसमेंट ऑफ मेघना एंड पूजा वस्त्रकर एज अ पेस बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर टीम को बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी थी।
पूर्णिमा, थैंक यू सो मच। देखो, हमेशा एज ए टीम जब आप बिल्ड करते हो, सामने जब इतना बड़ा इवेंट है, वर्ल्ड कप है, तो आपको थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करना पड़ता है बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड। हैवंट प्लेड लॉट ऑफ सीरीज, बट जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी जिसको भी दिया जा रहा है, हम उसको ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं in a net session. Make sure that that person get lot of confidence, and when they're coming to the center, make sure that they're able to deliver, because it's end of the day everybody have talent, but it's just a matter of that day how you handle the pressure. That is important. And Meghna was she bowled really well in so far in this 3 ODIs. Pooja was great that she is coming back, and batting as well as bowling, because she is a very key person in our team, and everybody in our side सब उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बैक कर रहे बिकॉज शी हैव ह्यूज पोटेंशियल ऑन हर बट ओनली थिंग जस्ट शी शुड कंटिन्यू वे शी इज़ डूइंग मतलब जिस तरीके से वो खेल रही है इस सीरीज़ में उसको और कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा एंड इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो बिकॉज वर्ल्ड कप के लिए हमें बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन फीड करना है तो उस हिसाब से हम सोच रहे हैं एंड एज ए मैनेजमेंट वी स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन ऑल दोज थिंग्स एंड लकीली वी प्लेड सम गुड क्वालिटी मैचेस ओवर हियर सो जो भी हमें टाइम मिल रहा है एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का हम उसके ऊपर थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं.